Welcome to Home TV. I'm Tracy Prees, and here's today's news from home. A former Fort Frances nurse at La Vérendrye Hospital pled guilty yesterday to 1 count of criminal negligence causing death and 1 count of failing to comply with a release order. 76-year-old Hermina Fletcher was admitted to hospital in a critically ill state in December of 2014, and her family physician deemed her palliative, ultimately assigning her to receive 2 to 5 milligrams of morphine administered by subcutaneous injection. It was 2 days later, during coil shift, that she changed the medication administration report to read 5 to 10 milligrams of morphine. The elderly patient subsequently received 7 10-milligram doses of morphine in an 11-hour period and an additional 2 10-milligram doses later that night. The patient lost consciousness progressively throughout the night and eventually died the next morning from acute morphine toxicity. La Vérendrye Hospital called OPP 10 days later, stating that 10 milligrams of morphine were missing from the hospital, which later turned out to be 700 milligrams. OPP investigations led to Lindsay Coyle, who signed out all the morphine and also admitted to an addiction that started after returning from maternity leave, using it while working, stating that she was, quote, high as a kite. In April of 2021, a $3 million lawsuit was filed by the family against Riverside Healthcare Facilities that runs the hospital. Next court date for sentencing submissions is October 25th. A Thunder Bay Justice of the Peace has been found guilty of professional misconduct and is recommended to be removed from office. Back in 2019, Anna Gibbons' son was charged with failure to yield under the Ontario Highway Traffic Act. Gibbon then called the prosecutor to discuss the case and requested the Regional Senior Justice of the Peace to have her son's charge stayed or dismissed. The recommendation for removal from office was made to the Attorney General for Ontario. Kenora's Word Hub food security program has a new home and will again be open to the public after September long weekend. They're in the process of moving and organizing in their new space located at 1301 Railway Street. The Word Hub is a charitable organization launched in Kenora in September of 2019 and operates in partnership with the Northwestern Ontario Métis Child and Family Services. Visit the Word Hub Food Security Program Facebook page to donate and learn more. And that's your Home TV News update for this hour. I'm Tracy Prees. Have a great day.